Bitcoin Layer 2 stacks jumps ahead of this key event. Could FET be setting up for a massive run? And the Hamster Kombat token launches to a sea of angry people that could end this game just as it's getting started. This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody, and if you're new here, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so no one drop latest content. Follow us on Twitter, AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, not financial advice, and wish the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Uptober is coming, and we have the best deal for you. Get a 12-month Altcoin Buzz Alpha subscription for only $100, a massive 40% discount by paying with crypto. No wallet connection or KYC required. Now, what do you get with an Altcoin Buzz Alpha subscription? You get 70 plus calls per month, including gems, buy-sell calls, alpha and alerts, portfolio updates, strategies, IDOs, airdrops, and Q&As. All you have to do to join is click the link below, connect to Discord, choose the yearly plan, click Buy Now, enter the code UPTOBER, and pay in USDT on BEP20 or Polygon. This flash sale is only valid until Saturday night, so act fast. Join us at Altcoin Buzz Alpha with the link down below. Bitcoin breached the $65,000 barrier, instilling confidence in investors that a rally may be imminent. This move has sparked optimism that Bitcoin could soon push beyond $70,000, a price last seen nearly 3 months ago. Bitcoin's price is known to perform well in the fourth quarter. However, Bitcoin's rally is still dependent on more than just sentiment and investor behavior. Matt Mena, crypto research strategist at 21Co, explained what other factors could affect Bitcoin's rise to $70,000. He said one key catalyst is the Federal Reserve's potential interest rate cuts, which would likely drive a risk-on sentiment across the financial markets as investors move capital out of lower-yielding assets like fixed income into riskier assets such as equities and cryptocurrencies in search of higher returns. Lower interest rates also inject liquidity into the market, a factor that Bitcoin has historically benefited from, given its strong correlation with the global M2 money supply. As liquidity rises, we often see an increase in valuations of risk assets, including Bitcoin. But before $70,000, as Bitcoin reaches $65,000, it also hits a 2-month high, prompting long-term holders to consider selling. Historically, long-term holders tend to sell when prices peak, and their selling pressure could significantly impact the market. The liveliness indicator, which tracks long-term holder activity, is showing an uptick. This indicates that long-term holders have started to liquidate positions, which could lead to a price correction. The liveliness indicator rises as long-term holders sell and decreases when they hodl. Long-term holders are considered to be the backbone of Bitcoin stability, and if they begin selling in large quantities, it could lead to an increase in volatility. Bitcoin has already broken out of a bullish symmetrical triangle pattern, suggesting that the cryptocurrency could rise by as much as 35%, with a potential target of $81,550. However, a more realistic outlook places the next target at $70,000 as Bitcoin continues to gain momentum. This past week was Token 2049 in Singapore, and Mike from our other channel, Fungible Games, was there covering all the latest in crypto gaming. He was able to interview founders from Axie Infinity, the Ronin Network, Star Atlas, and many more. So check out that video linked below and make sure to subscribe to Fungible Games, as we have a lot more great crypto gaming content coming soon. STX, the native token of the Bitcoin-focused Stacks Layer 2 smart contract platform, is riding on Bitcoin's recovery, up about 30% over the last 7 days. The Stacks price rallies as the community prepares for the upcoming update known as the Nakamoto release, which is less than 15 days away. The Stacks Foundation officially announced that the highly anticipated Nakamoto Upgrade will be activated on October 9th. The upgrade is expected to improve decentralized finance on Bitcoin by speeding up transactions and introducing a new Bitcoin peg token, SBTC, among other improvements. In preparation for this, Solana and Aptos announced the integration of a Bitcoin-backed asset, SBTC, which enables developers to incorporate SBTC in decentralized applications on their platforms. These integrations provide Bitcoin holders with more opportunities to use their assets beyond just holding or trading, such as engaging in decentralized finance or participating in NFT marketplaces. All these developments have increased user interest in Stacks, with the blockchain smart contract deployment hitting record highs. In a September 7th post on X, the Stacks Foundation announced that the number of smart contracts deployed on Stacks reached an all-time high of 1,400 in August, representing a 30% month-over-month increase. And according to data from DeFi Llama, Stacks' TVL has increased by 70% from 91 million on September 18th to 112 million at the time of writing. FET is positioning itself as a frontrunner in the artificial intelligence cryptocurrency sector, with several factors solidifying its dominance. At present, FET holds the largest market cap among AI-related coins, sitting at $4.22 billion. While BitTensor follows closely behind with a market cap of $4.19 billion, FET's lead becomes even more pronounced when compared to the rest of the field. Combined, Render, WorldCoin, and Akash Network don't even match FET's market cap. At present, around 75% of all FET addresses are in profit, while about 21.5% of addresses are experiencing losses, and a small fraction at 3.5% are at break-even. This distribution suggests that the majority of FAT holders are confident in the asset's future, having already seen positive returns on their positions. When a large portion of holders are in profit, it typically signals strong market sentiment and potential for further upward momentum as more investors are encouraged to enter the market. Historically, a similar proportion of addresses in profit during an uptrend for FET led to an explosive price surge, where it skyrocketed by over 500% in just 1 month. This past performance suggests that when so many holders are already in profit, it creates conditions ripe for rapid price appreciation, particularly if demand continues to grow. If this uptrend holds, FET could test key resistance levels at $1.86 and $2.28. A break above these levels would strengthen the bullish case, potentially leading to further resistance points at $2.70 and $3.48. Surpassing these could push FET towards a new all-time high, signaling a strong bullish move. Rootstock, the largest and longest running Bitcoin Layer 2, invites you to their world tour. Explore their network by joining their Galaxy Rootstock World Tour campaign. This involves visiting 12 Rootstock partners, and there are $33,000 in prizes and NFTs up for grabs. The campaign lasts until September 30th. Each of their world tour destinations has a quest, and by completing quests along the way, you'll be rewarded with a Rootstock NFT and air miles or points. With each point, you can win $3,000 in RBTC. So come September 30th, there will be a raffle, and more points means more entries. Each partner will also do a $3,000 giveaway for 10 lucky winners at the campaign's end. So check out Rootstock and their World Tour campaign with a link down below. The freshly minted Hamster Kombat token has made its debut on several top-tier exchanges, only to tumble 50% in value within the last 24 hours. The highly anticipated token launch for Hamster Kombat, a popular tap-to-earn game on Telegram, has encountered significant challenges and user backlash. On September 26, the project conducted its long-awaited airdrop of hamster tokens, but the event quickly turned sour as many players expressed disappointment with the rewards and the token's value plummeting on exchanges. Hamster Kombat, which had amassed over 300 million users since its launch in March, distributed tokens to 131 million qualifying players. However, numerous users took to social media to voice their frustrations, describing their hamster rewards as dust, a term often used to denote trivial amounts of cryptocurrency. Many complained that their allocations were worth less than $10, despite months of active gameplay and promotion of the project. The dissatisfaction was further compounded by the token's performance on cryptocurrency exchanges. Upon listing, the price of Hamster fell sharply, losing as much as 50% of its value within hours of trading. Technical issues also plagued the launch, with some users reporting difficulties accessing their tokens due to network overload. The project warned of overwhelming demand impacting users' ability to trade the coin, which only added to the growing frustration within the community. And as news of the troubled launch spread, the hashtag hamster scam began trending on social media platforms. Users accused the project of unfairly disqualifying a large portion of participants from receiving tokens, while allegedly favoring influencers and YouTubers with larger allocations. These claims of inequitable distribution further eroded trust in the project. The backlash has prompted calls within the community to boycott Hamster Kombat social media accounts and block its bot. This negative sentiment threatens to overshadow the game's previous success and raises questions about its future viability. These issues highlight the broader technical challenges facing blockchain projects as they attempt to scale and manage sudden influxes of user activity. The Hamster Kombat team has stated that 15 billion hamster tokens have been reserved for the game's second season, indicating plans to continue development and potentially address user concerns. However, the immediate future of the project remains uncertain as it grapples with the fallout from its troubled token launch. And Shash, the founder of Altcoin Buzz, wrote on X, Hamster Kombat, with its traction and actual number of users, had the potential to have a face-melting launch. But no one will care for a project that's not fair to its own community and gives into their greed and that of centralized exchanges. What could have been the Axie of 2024 is now a dud.